donations? What is this?
It's from YouTube.
Oh my god.
Dear Double Barrel Garage, we'd like to personally congratulate you for all your hard work. Handmade custom cake in honor of reaching 100 subscribers. Keep up the good work. We will be in touch. You guys, thanks for your support. Like, comment, and subscribe. Look at this cake. Oh, man. I'm in the garage. I plugged in one light bulb. Look at what's in here. We have it. We have the LS car in the garage. So we're going to start taking the motor out tonight. Pull the front clip. Pull the tranny. I have made immense progress. I have the whole front clip torn apart. Hey. 85 hours into the engine removal and we're still hitting it, okay? So I've got everything undone. I'm about to hook the engine crane up. As you can see here, it's looking super good. Cleared right out, got the whole front support out. It's not going as smoothly as planned, but it's halfway out, so we're doing good. Success. It's a free bird combo unit. Gonna pull her back. Day 2 on the LS build. Let's get right into it. Hit us up on our website, doublebarrelgarage@gmail.com, to cop the latest merch. Alright, we're going to get the engine transportation device, which it looks like we left in the mud here. So she's probably frozen. Oh gosh. Oh. This is it. Oh, gee. Dude. Okay. Got him. The almighty 6 liter. The 6.0.
We got the budget for the build right here.
Oh yeah. We noticed there's 2 of you out there that thumbs down our video, and let's just say we're not putting up with that anymore. All right. Okay, how are we gonna do this? You let go. Oh. There you go, guys.
I think I broke my back. I think I broke my back.
One day we're gonna finish this garage, right? Okay, we've got the engine in the garage. Kind of a mess in here, but we going to swap it.
Okay, nice and easy now.
It's upside down.
LS swaps, easier than they look.
LS swap for life. The progress here is incredible. I realized we put the engine in upside down. Embarrassing.
It's our first LS swap. What do you expect?
This just goes to show Never give up on your dreams.
They sent us the wrong valve cover, so we're just gonna do some mods.
Brought to you by
Bubbly lime. Ice cold. Oh.
We are officially ready to fire. We're going to take it out to the pasture where we can let the ponies run free when this thing first fires up. We're not messing around. We're going to show you guys some donuts, some burnouts, some grass slides, all that action. Give it.
Either chameleon or YouTube Red.
We're going to do YouTube Red. We're going to sprite. We're going to sprite this up. Spice this up. Okay, guys, it says do not test paint in store. Oh, bro!
We got the white Chrysler behind us.
Taking it to a paint booth. Then we're gonna be doing our first fire up for y'all. So buckle up, Chevy motor and a Mopar. This is a big step for us Mopar guys.
We've been getting calls constantly from the FBI telling us to stand down, but we won't do it.
No, we're looking for sevens. Sevens or bust. You know what we here for? $3 Big Macs. $3 Big Macs.
Where? Tried with that.
Yeah, I'll get a couple Big Macs.
Hey, look, it's a 4BT Jeep.
No. Ask me.
Has that got a Cummins? No, bro.
What the? Why you don't put Cummins logo on your Jeep if you don't have a Cummins in it? He looked at us like we're weird. Clear open day with lots of snow on the ground so the dust doesn't kick up. Anyway, let's get straight into it. We got our paint set out.
What's up, guys? Today we're painting the car. We're gonna get in here and get back at ya.
Guys, it is looking so good in here. All right, we got the first coat of red put down on the car. We're gonna do a little bit of sanding, a little bit of prep work before we hit the clear coat. Get back at you. If you want to be authentic, you always get the top of the roof, even though some people will not see it. Okay, let's get a step back on that thing. Oh, dang. This is like YouTube's mobile, man, dang. When you're painting the roof, never block yourself in. I see this, I think, okay. I think Michael has got himself into a predicament. You really put a dinger in that. Cue stunt music.
We're not very good at doing fine lines and nice drawings and stuff, so we had to call in our pinstriping buddy. He's world renowned. Here he is now.
Nice to meet you guys. I'm here to do some pinstriping for the double barrel garage.
Real nice guy.
Okay guys, let's fire this thing up. First start, here we go.
Man, what happened?
Dude, what happened?
Look at this.
Oh, there's glass everywhere.
Our windshield.
Man, our AM, FM.
We just installed that.
Okay, I gotta get out. It stinks in here.
This
man.
is disgusting.
Oh, dude.
What?
Dude. Oh my god. Oh.
Our LS. Looks like it threw a rod.
Oh, we broke the timing chain.
Oh.
Dude, our custom tuned PCM is toast, bro.
This is not good.
Oh, my mom's gonna kill me, dude.
6-point, bro. What was
Okay.
that?
Oh.
The sunroof is popped right out. How does that even
I
happen?
don't know, man. We might have to stick with Mopars. This would have never happened with a Hemi. Well, guys, seen it here first. Double Barrel Garage.
LS not for life. LS for death, more like it.
Hello, I'm Thomas with Double Barrel Garage News. We have a serious incident. Oh, this is my associate.
I'm a newscaster.
Alright, guys. We seen the video. We're also extremely enraged with the actions we've seen with the LS blowing up. This isn't a joke. This is a serious disclaimer. No LSs or Mopars were hurt in the making of this video.
That was all video effects. That was all done in post-production. It was just a prank, bros.
It was just a prank, okay? Appreciate that. Also, if you're one of the people that dislike this video, I'd like to stop for a commercial break. This is brought to you by Icy Hot for all your hurt feelings.
Yep.